Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about hungering for righteousness. Hey, what are you hungry for? What is on your top list of favorite meals? Well, in today's Devo, Jesus in his teaching on the mountainside, the Sermon on the Mount as it's called, he's going to make a statement about hunger. Yet Jesus is not talking about physical hunger. Here's what he says in Matthew 5, verse 6. He says this. He said, "Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled." So he's talking about hungering and thirsting for righteousness, not hungering and thirsting for a great salad or a great hamburger. So righteousness, what is it? You could describe righteousness as justice, or to be in right standing, or kind of to be in God's right way, the right way according to God. That's interesting, right? But how often do I hunger and thirst for righteousness? What is something that you long to be different in the world? And what do you wish could be changed? What do you think about sometimes? And might whatever came to mind for you be something that God also cares about? What about valuing the God-given dignity of people? What about loving our neighbor as ourself? Or what about stewarding the planet? Did that come to mind for you? Or maybe it was helping people discover God's goodness in his pursuit of them. Do you hunger for those things? Do you hunger and thirst for the things of God? Do you hunger and thirst for God's way to come about? Listen to this quote from Teresa of Avila. She's a woman who loved Jesus back in the day, and she wrote, "Christ has no body now but yours. No hands, no feet on earth but yours. Yours are the eyes through which he looks compassion on the world. Yours are the feet with which he walks to do good. Yours are the hands through which he blesses all the world. Yours are the hands, yours are the feet, yours are the eyes, yours are his body. Christ has no body now on earth but yours." Wow, what a powerful quote. What if today we prayed, "Lord, help us desire your way. Help us desire righteousness as you define it. Lord, help us lean in and work to serve others your way with your help so that Jesus, his way, can come about here on earth as it is in heaven." Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled.